Money is gender agnostic. Money doesn't differentiate between men and women, doesn't differentiate between boy and girl. It behaves the way it is being used by the person जिसके हाथ में पैसा है, उस तरीके से वो पैसा मैनेज करता है. To a large extent, it's the myth that women should not get involved in money matters. एक कारण ये भी है कि अपनी सोसाइटी में we believe that this is not a woman's job. Managing money is not woman's job, and that's the reason that they think it's very complicated, very complex in nature, and they don't get involved in money managing. Definitely yes. In fact, as we speak, a recent data which is suggesting that women fund managers have done better than their counterparts, male counterparts, and other than that, historically also, if you see, women tend to preserve the money better than the male of the house. Secondly, they understand the difference between need and want, which is very, very important, and that's where I think they score better. When it comes to money, I think the only mistake a woman makes is she believes or she thinks that she won't be able to manage it. So she is slightly low on confidence in general, I am saying, but the fact is the day she gets into managing money, she proves a better money manager than the males. Well, a very important question. Thank you so much for asking this. Young girls need to understand the importance of money, especially in today's context. One is the kind of divorce rate which is increasing day by day. So it is very, very essential for a young girl to become financially independent as soon as possible. And the important thing for that is it's not only about earning money, but the generating second income. So you may keep on earning money for the next 10, 15, 20 years, but if you don't generate the second income, which typically comes from the investment side, and that's where it's very important for a young girl to understand the importance. Secondly, the working life is shrinking day by day, not only for a girl but otherwise also, thanks to digitalization and all these technological advancement. So the working life is shrinking, and which is resulting into a larger or longer years of retirement, and that's the reason that a young girl should start investing early, as also she needs to understand the importance of it. Oh yes, the day a woman understands that she can manage money better or she can run the business on her own, they actually prove most of us wrong if we believe that it's a men's world. No, it's not a men's world. And when they get into entrepreneurship, we have seen some of them doing wonders in the life, in the entrepreneurship, and within our own financial services sector, if you see, there are few financial advisors, female financial advisors, who have done wonderfully well, and they are the inspiration not only for the females, not only for the women, but for the men as well.